Hello world, this is ZigZag task 3. This time it's the food that is going to die of old age, so we need to modify the simulation class to reduce the amount of food in any set which contains food by 10% with each stage to simulate food decay. The amount of food in a cell should be set so that it cannot go below 0. I dare say it's not going to be able to go below 9 or 10, yeah, because reasons. Now note though that the food, so this is there's no food class, right? Food is a property. Cells may have foods, but they are an integer. So we can get the amount of food and we can set, this is modify or something like that. So without further ado, let's go. Copy, paste, rename Z3. Very excited. So we, did they tell us where we should do that? Probably, right? Kind of at the end of the advanced stage in simulation, this class, the last one was in nest, when we made the ants die, to reduce the amount of food in any cell by 10% with each simulation stage increment. This should happen at the start, interesting, of the advanced stage method loop, so that decaying food is removed before ants attempt to pick it up. Fair enough, although we don't need to do that. That testing doesn't cater for it, so I'm going to ignore it. I'll explain why we don't need to do that, because I don't know, I'll have a look at their solution, but like I think this is there's no reason to go about it. So this is simulation, not the constructor. We're just going to collapse this real quick, and maybe it is in the constructor. No, it is in advanced stage, yeah. So at the beginning, right, so because we can advance more than one stage, but like typically this will be 1, so it's going to be 1, 2, and just do that one time, but you can do that more than one, because with option 5, do that. So our cells are going to be inside the grid, right? I don't know if there's any grid stuff going on, but simulation has a grid attribute, which is an array list of cells, and those cells have got a get amount of food and a something amount of food. To change it, just have a quick look. Okay, so we're gonna need to loop here. Just want to check where the class cell, yes, okay, we get amount of food, update food in cell, and this is with a change value, and this is all integers as far as I can make out. Well, they're not actually, you know what, that's not true, because I got tripped up by their, this is zigzags. Of course, Python is very loosely typed, so there's no, this says int here, but that could very well be a double. But even then, if we're only removing 10%, there's no way you can ever go below 0. You don't need to put a check there, surely. Anyway, so we're going to be using, I don't know where they were, my class cell, which was here. Yeah, get some of the food. So we're going to iterate over grid in wherever I was. What I did not put to do? Advanced stage. Yeah, not this one. Jeez. Okay. In simulation, right? Advanced stage in simulation. Did I not put like did I not write a to-do in there? Oh, because it's the original, that's why. Yes, okay. Okay, back on track. Yeah, here we are going to go for C in grid, self grid, self underscore grid. Yeah, that's an actual for like this. For. Okay. So for each of the cells in the grid, if, actually I'm gonna, I mean, I can just do like F equals C, capital C for some reason, yeah. Dot get amount of food, was it? Just a bit confused there. Get amount of food, all capitalized, all in first capital, and update food in cell title caps. Okay. So That's the amount of food, and then if f is larger than 0, maybe, right, just for the sake of it, then c dot update. I've already forgotten it, it's terrible. Update food in cell, yeah. And we are going to update it by f minus f divide 10. Now, because we always, then we don't need to put a check so it never goes negative. I don't understand. I mean, well, we'll try it, but I don't think that's needed. This was running, so let's run this one. We test with number 1141. Okay, sure. So we start with 3 cells that have 500 food in them to start, right? And if we advance one stage and ask for it again, we had 450. The ends are starting to move. Oh, this is going to be a race against time for the poor little ends. I mean, I really want to see this in proper 2D, but yeah, that's the job is done. So the changes we've made are select for compare, and then compare we've selected my Z3, that's my diff. Is that it? That's just it. I've not actually touched cell, right? I'm just kind of checking. So we put it at the beginning of the update loop, of the loop of stages of advanced stage. That should really be advanced stages, but whatever. And simply, subtract. I mean, this is. I mean, they will get spicier, and aren't we all looking forward to this? See you soon in the next one.